Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Draw and color some amazing vegetables, step by step. It's super easy and perfect for beginners and kids. So grab your markers, crayons, and drawing paper. Let's draw a carrot. Draw a long triangle shape with a pointy bottom. Draw leafy tops at the top. Perfect! Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw highlights. Perfect! Now let's color it. Color the leaves green. Color the carrot orange. Your carrot looks great. Let's draw a tomato. Draw a nice round circle. Add a small leafy crown on top. Perfect! Now draw highlights. Now let's color it. Color the leaves green. Color the tomato bright red. Your tomato looks fresh. Let's draw a capsicum. Draw a round shape with soft curves. Add little bumps on the sides. Draw a stem on top. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now let's color it. Color the capsicum green, red, or yellow. Color the stem green. Your capsicum is done. Let's draw broccoli. Start with a thick stem. Now draw fluffy cloud-like shapes on top. Add more little bumps to make it look full. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now let's color it. Color the stem light green. Color the top dark green. Your broccoli is complete. Let's draw a mushroom. Start with a big curved cap shape. Add small circles on the mushroom cap. Draw a thick stem underneath. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now, let's color it. Color the stem cream or light beige. Color the cap red or brown. Your mushroom is ready. Let's draw a potato. Start with a big, uneven oval shape. Make the sides slightly bumpy. Add a few tiny curved lines for texture. Now draw highlights. Now, let's color it. Color the potato light brown. Your potato is ready. Let's draw a pumpkin. Draw a small stem on top. Draw a big round shape. Add curved lines from top to bottom. Great job! Now draw highlights. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what should I draw next? Your ideas might be featured in my next video. Now, let's color it. Color the pumpkin bright orange. Color the stem green or brown. Your pumpkin looks awesome. Let's draw a brinjal. Draw a long oval shape with a rounded bottom. Make the top slightly narrow. Add the leafy top part. Draw a short stem. Now draw highlights. Now, let's color it. Color the brinjal purple. Color the top leaves green. Your brinjal looks amazing. Make it fun! You drew and colored all the vegetables. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.